right in my fucking eye.
Need water? I'll let it harden. Go ahead, let's run it out here. Well, don't just blow it out at one time, it'll end up going in that creek. Just try to run it all, I just try to keep it all back. Putting them down so you run back out. Okay.
Change your plans. Let's dump it right here. Fly by the seat of my pants.